When mango season hits, you know it's Achar time. And with a hot paratha, it's a match made in food heaven. Let's begin with raw mangoes. They've been washed, chopped, and sun-dried for a day. This step is important to remove any moisture. Add salt as per taste, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. Mix everything well so the mango pieces are evenly coated. Meanwhile, let's prepare our spice mix. Heat a pan and add cumin seeds, black peppercorns, fennel seeds, and fenugreek or methi seeds. Roast them on a low flame, stirring continuously. This step is crucial. We want to remove all the moisture, otherwise it will spoil the achar. Once roasted, let the spices cool down. Grind them coarsely. Add this to the mango mixture. Slightly mix it. Then goes asafoetida or hing and onion seeds or kalonji. Mix to coat with the spices. Now for the most important part, mustard oil. It may seem like a lot, but this is what preserves the pickle and gives it that signature flavor. Mix it thoroughly. The achar base is ready. Transfer it to a clean jar and place it under direct sunlight for 6 to 7 days. Make sure you mix it once every day. Serve it with your everyday meals and watch it steal the spotlight. Until next time, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.